Hello, first grade. This is your WES Home Learning Plan tutorial. Your home learning plan is 2 pages long. On the first page, your subjects are reading, word power, writing, grammar, and phonics. On the second page, you have foundations, math, science, social studies, health, our specials, and enrichment. We are going to go through one day so you can see what a full day of learning looks like on this plan. Starting on Monday, you would read the book Trees. Once you click the blue link, it takes you to the Journey's website and right to the Trees story. You can click through to read. Also, on the left-hand side is an audio button where you can listen to the story and have it read to you. Next, it says to read a book of choice and take an AR test. The blue link will take you to the AR test page where you will sign in. Remember, if you do not know your sign-in, you can ask your teacher. And there is also a tutorial on how to take AR tests from home posted on the YouTube page. Next, we'll go to high frequency words. And this takes you to your Journeys page. Next to each link tells you what page to go to. So our high frequency words is on page 10 and 11. Up at the top, you will type in page 10 and hit enter. This will take you to your high frequency words and you'll hit next to go to page 11. Next, words to know, and that will be on page 79. At the top, you'll type in 79 and hit enter. You do not need to print this page. You can do the work on a piece of paper that you have at home and have a family member check it for you. Next, you have writing. Again, you can just use a blank piece of paper at home to follow along with your writing prompt. For grammar, you are going to page 38 and 39 for pronouns. Click the link. And you're going to page 38. You will look at page 38 and then jump forward to page 39. Then you will have a pronoun intro, which is a YouTube video teaching you about pronouns. For phonics, you are reading Mark the Shark, which is on page 3. At the top, you will type in 3, and it will take you to the page Mark the Shark. And you will read each page until you get to the end of your story. Then you have Are Controlled on page 78. And again, you can do this page on a separate sheet of paper you have at home instead of printing. On your next page, you will have your foundations that starts with vowel teams, which is a YouTube video. Next, you have your lesson for Unit 11. It says to review page 1 and page 6. This is a PDF document, and at the top you can see it says you're on page 1 out of 10. And then you could also go to page 6 to go through your assignments. For math, you will go to Reflex to get your green light. And we log in by clicking Login, Student Login. If you're unsure of your login, please contact your teacher. Then you are going to page 509 in your Go Math book. And this is your introduction page. For science, you are going to brain pop to watch a video all about clouds, and after it's over, you will be taking the quiz. Your PE activity takes you to Go Noodle. And finally, enrichment takes you to your Admentum login where you would complete your reading learning path. These learning plans can be found on your class story on Dojo. It could also be found on the Facebook page and the Weirton Elementary School website. If you have any questions, please contact your teacher and they will be happy to answer you.